Garage YouTube channel. I have a quick unboxing video today. Very, very brief. Everything's a mess because of the engine project for the Scion. So this is something that came today from Newegg, and I couldn't resist. It was on sale. It was a shell shocker. They have my number. Basically, they send me a deal and say, Jeff, order this, and I order it. So I have another pair of headphones. So these are Berdynamic DT770 Pros. They make these in a couple different variants. They have a 32 ohm, an 80 ohm, a 250 ohm. These are the 250 ohm version, which they require a headphone amplifier, but they tend to perform better. And these are a closed back headphone, meaning that when I'm listening to them, the people around me won't be able to hear what I'm listening to. So they are a personalized listening experience. And these are well regarded as one of the better headphones. So I'm going to be doing a review video coming up here, talking about the 5 headphones that I own, which are kind of like these are the headphones to buy under $300, period. The best open back, the best closed back, the best hybrid, the best, whatever. They're all excellent reviews. They're all well regarded, and I'll be able to talk about those and what I like and don't like, which ones I wear the most, which ones are the most comfortable, and kind of compare and contrast them to each other. So if somebody wants to buy one pair of $300 headphones instead of 5 pairs of under $300 headphones, I can guide them in the right direction and push them to the one that's the best for them. So we'll just open the box here real quick. So there's a little tab here, your Beyerdynamic. Open this up. So first off, they're not in a case, or this is the box. So in here there is you experience unique products. There's a little pamphlet in here. Or Beyerdynamic. So this is here, and then there is a tab that opens up. And there's the cable. So packaging isn't bad. They've got a leather top section or vinyl top section. This is removable, which is kind of nice. They're getting beat up on my Audio-Technicas, and I can't really replace them without replacing the whole top piece of the headphone. They fit over the ears nicely. They don't have a ton of clamping pressure, but they're also not too light. They do have good adjustability, it seems. Here's the cable. Get that unwrapped. The bag just has a little bit of tape on it, and it's got coiled cable, which is nice. And it's got an 1/8 inch with a 1/4 inch adapter that threads on, so that's nice. And it does come with a bag to put them in. Nice as well. It's not a hard case, but it is at least a case. Some of them haven't come with cases at all. Yeah, so first impressions, they seem nice, they seem complete. We'll try them out and see how they sound, let them break in, and then I'll report how I like or don't like them and what I like or don't like about them. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.